Hello everyone, Excel's back with another video, and this is game 2 of the Western Wizards and the Golden Chicken Nuggets. So let's get into it as the Wizards lead game 1. Okay, I'm now here with Evan from the Golden Chicken Nuggets. So how do you guys come back from that loss in game 1?
We just need to work on our hitting. I feel like that's most crucial to these games. That's really it.
So you gotta get that hitting down, the win. What about the pitching? The pitching has been looking good though, so how do you keep that up?
I feel like I need to stop getting down in the counts early on and start throwing more strikes in the early in the at-bats.
Okay, well that's all my questions for you. Good luck in this game 2. See ya. Okay, now I'm here with Jack from the Western Wizards. So how do you guys keep on going after that win in game 1?
After that win, I feel like that we're doing actually really well. I don't think we did as good as we did last time, but I feel like that we're gonna get a good win today.
Okay, so if you guys do end up winning this game, you'll go to the World Series, and that'll be your second time going to the World Series. So you're excited for that, if that can happen?
I am very excited.
Okay, now do you think you'll pitch again?
Yep, I think I will.
Okay, well good luck today. We'll see how it goes. If the Wizards win this game, it is over and they will go to the World Series. If the Golden Chicken Nuggets win, we'll go to a game 3. So let's get into it, boys. Here we go. We got Jack hitting, Evan on the mound. This is game 2, and it'll start off with a strike. This is the full count pitch to Jack. It'll be a ball 4. Hits him.
Oh, that.
That'll be a hit up the middle. Reed will come in the score. 3-0 is the count. That'll be smacked off the wall. Jack will come home. There's now gone first and second again. There's still no outs. That'll be a hit. Everybody's safe. That'll be a hit. Everybody is safe. Strike 3. Hits him. That will score another run. It is now 4-0 Western Wizards. That will be a hit. Out at second, but that'll only be 2 outs, so Reed still scores. That makes it 5, which is the run rule. So we're now going to the bottom of the first. Pitch will hit the top left corner. Jack pins it. What a pitch. That'll be strike 3, 1 out. Here we go. We got the full count pitch. Strike 3. Jack is nailing down the top of the strike zone. That'll be a hit. Jack bobbles it, can't get a hold of it, and that'll be a single. Ball 4. That'll be ball 4. Strike 3. Strike 3.
Great hit.
Good hit. That was a great pitch by Evan and a good hit by Jack. That's a hit. That's ball 4. Ball 4. That is 4. That brings in another run. 7-0. One out. Oh, what a play! That is 3 outs, but it is 7-0 Wizards. Strike 3. Oh, strike 3. We'll strike out. That's a fair ball.
That's fair. No.
Single. That is ball 4. Smoked! That is gone. That's a 3-run home run right there from Reed. Smoked in the air. Evan catches it. Fair ball. That's a fair ball. Drew chucks it. And Reed gets one of the craziest inside the park home runs we'll see as Drew chucks it to the moon. As I think the Golden Chicken Nuggets are basically giving up at this point.
Wow.
Drew bobbles it. Let's go. Jack's going too, and he's out. Oh, that's a home run. Jack hits it up. 3! Oh, that's hit up in the air. Out. That is strike 3, 2 outs. Here we go. 2-2 count. Strike 3! And the Western Wizards will win.
Yeah.
And the Western Wizards will go to the World Series.